answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello, Gary. Welcome.
Good morning from downtown Columbus.
Glad to have you today. Well, we have a question that has come into us. We're going to pull it up on the screen here. Some states are really struggling and have requested some assistance from the federal government. The administration has suggested that states declare bankruptcy. Can they do that, and what are the implications?
Yeah, that's a pretty interesting question. I don't think states can file for bankruptcy protection. Cities can. I think municipalities can, maybe a county. But I don't see the state doing. I don't know that it's ever happened. I do think we're strapped. There just aren't as many tickets and revenue generating events. I don't think we're seeing the revenue from employment withholding and because of so many layoffs and other things. And obviously states are trying to shift some of their obligations. So I don't think that's going to happen. I could see I hope it doesn't happen for anybody. I mean, that's what we dread the most. See our municipalities go out and try and renegotiate. But I think that's really what it comes down to. They're looking to renegotiate obligations, maybe delay some payments. So hopefully it won't be that dire.
Yeah, hopefully not. Interesting. Now, is there any other legal news in relation to COVID-19?
Well, there's lots going on. I think what we want to watch is the wording of these orders. I saw where one of the states has asked for there to be a declaration of an act of God. There have been a reopening of certain businesses. Why is that? Is this insurance company driven? Is it just states wanting to get out from under the yoke of unemployment? But I think there's going to be particular interest given to how these orders are worded, because it will have implications in obligations by insurance companies, by city and state and county governments. So you're going to see some more carefully worded orders, I think. And otherwise, on a somewhat little happier note,
okay.
The law school at Emory had an experiment with a Zoom trial. Can you imagine that? This kind of forum. I can't imagine it really with jurors, but I think for hearings, it will work. And the thing they found was that the objections were raised more politely, and frankly, that the lawyers were more engaged and actually more pleasant to one another. And everyone was on time. Nobody had to look for parking. So there were some pluses to it. I think we're going to see this be part of our life. I hope not for juries, of course, but in other ways, certainly.
Thanks so much, Gary. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.